Hello YouTube, this is Dhruva Mundodi and welcome to my channel Mundodi Vlog. So friends, today I'm at JK outlet Lakshmi Enterprises Puttur. I came here to install new alloy wheels on my Skoda Rapid which I purchased from Skoda outlet. Also, I have Mr. Shiva Prasad over here. So he has a new product with him which is a JK Treel Tpms sensor. It's a tire pressure monitoring system. So I'm thinking of installing it. So Mr. Shiva Prasad will guide us with the installation. Alloy wheels is better.
Yeah, compared to the normal wheels.
Compared to the normal wheels. In the sense, steel wheels.
Steel wheels.
Okay. But we can use it on 15, 16, 17, any
Even 12 is not advisable. We have to fit this
sensor on
individual. Each and one of them.
Okay.
And it will give you the exact two variables. One is temperature.
Okay.
Second is the tire pressure.
Okay.
So our primary objective is measure the tire pressure, basically.
Okay.
How it will work?
So we have to download an app to our mobile.
Yeah.
And individually the sensors will connect to that app.
Yes. It is through Bluetooth.
Okay. And I heard that the range is 100 meters. Right?
Yeah. And it will give the particular accurate pressure. No doubt on this.
Will it give the readings in PSI or bar?
PSI. Yes.
So
there is an option. We can set for bar or PSI.
Okay.
Because India we generally go for on PSI. It is on PSI.
Do we get the tire temperature reading as well?
Yeah.
Set the lower limit for 29 psi and upper limit for 32 psi.
Say about even Skoda car. Let us say we will be taking 34 psi is the standard, right?
Yes.
In the moment if goes 30 psi down the lower than 30 psi, it will give the alert. And it will show exactly which tire is in lower.
Yes.
Because it will show the front right or front left or front. It will show the picture. The car picture. In that picture it will show the which tire is less.
So through that app, in a graphical way, it will show us in which tire the air is less.
Exactly. Even if you don't open the app, if the pressure goes down its minimum temperature, you will get a message.
Okay.
Notification. Even pressure goes up, upper limit. It will also give the message.
So now we shall go near the tire fitting and balancing machine. There Mr. Shiva Prasad will guide us how we will install that sensors on the tire.
Just unboxing this.
Okay.
This needs to be scanned. And you just remove this. You have to remove.
Okay.
Then you need to fix it here.
Okay.
It will go this way. Then you put this here.
Okay.
Good. Clear. Tight. There should not be any air leakage.
Okay.
And it should not be excess tight also.
Okay.
Because this all on
Aluminium. And this should be facing up.
Yeah.
Okay.
This should be facing up.
Okay.
While fitting this, once sensor is installed, the fitment and dismount both.
Okay.
Should be very careful.
Should be very careful.
Yeah,
so that mechanic should not damage the sensor.
Yes, mechanic should not be damaged this entire
Sensor.
Okay. So the skilled mechanic is required for removal and installation. Both.
Okay, so what you're telling is that fitment lever should not damage the sensor.
Should be started from here like this. Then again it is the ends from here. this position should be here only.
Okay.
If you see something somewhere else, it will get be damaged.
Damage. Right.
ಟೈರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಮಗೆ 34 PSI ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ
Okay.
machine ಅಲ್ಲಿ we need to get 35.
Okay.
1 PSI always there will be short.
Sure. Okay.
ಇದು ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ತೆಗೆಯುವಾಗ
There will be little bit of wastage while we take out the pipe or when we fix the pipe.
1 PSI
Down ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
We want to 33 PSI ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ.
Okay.
We will keep
34. If you want 34, we have to keep it 35.
That's it.
Actually, simultaneously we can monitor in the app as well. I guess.
Yes.
When you fill the
Yes, we will check it out whether there is any leakages of the
no leakage.
ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. Some water is plot ಅಲ್ಲಿ full water ಇದೆ.
Oh. So I don't see any bubbles as well.
Nothing.
Right.